welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's been a while. Hope you all had a good Christmas and Happy New Year and all that malarkey. Not much has been happening over the winter. We're sort of in the first couple of weeks of February, and it's the first day where you can actually get outside. The weather's okay-ish, grey and miserable, but no rain, which is good. But I've come to have a look at all the green algae that is on the roof, etc. So I'm going to try and clean some of it off. I've just bought some step ladders from Lidl, middle aisle, and they cost me $34.99, which I don't think is too bad. Better than the steps I had before. I couldn't quite rate. So I've come to have a look and do a bit of maintenance, a bit of cleaning on the roof. Now let's get into it. So I've got a couple of tools. I've got what I use in my car, and also what I bought from the local caravan and camping shop is this. So see if these work. I don't want to really use chemicals on it if I can, because I don't want to damage any of the seals. So let's get into it. Well, luckily the hose pipe ban is over, and I'm not surprised due to all the rain. So that's better. Get rid of that green there. Right, there we have it, guys. Just give it a quick wash. I'm going to do the rest of the roof, then we'll see what it comes out like. Right, also do all the sides, etc. Right guys, so just give it a basic quick clean, just get some of that green algae off. Haven't used any fancy chemicals or anything, just good old-fashioned detergent, washing up liquid. Let's have a look. There we go. Could do a bit of a clean there. Oh, there, sorry. So just need to do this centre bit here, and on the aerial as well. See that? So green on there. So I'll give that a bit of a clean, and then I'll check inside to make sure there's been no leaks or anything. So let's finish that off, and then go and have a look inside and just see where we are. Now, for those of you who have noticed, I'm very gingerly going up and down ladders. I hate heights. You can imagine what I'm like when we fly. So let's hope soon we can get back out in the base camp and get some caravanning done in for 2026, all being well. So let's finish off the roof and let's check inside to make sure there's no leaks. So guys, let's check the inside, let's see if any water's come through. Hopefully, fingers crossed it hasn't. If it has, we've got a bit of a problem. So let's go and have a look. So just checking the bathroom. And that seems okay, to be fair. I'm a bit concerned here. Some water has come through there, maybe because I was spraying directly at it where normally rain falls on it. There's a bit of water there. So guys, just a quick video just to show you getting the algae green slime off the Caravan. I haven't used any fancy products, so it's I've just used warm water, lukewarm water with washing up liquid, and it's got the bulk of it off. Could it be better? Yes, it could. I suppose if you use different products it could be better. So I think I was spraying, because obviously it's from the back here, I was spraying and sort of force water under there. It's not leaked sort of into the Caravan. There's just that bit you could see, but I will keep an eye on that. But we have had loads and loads of rain where it hasn't come through, so all good. Checked in the toilet area, and again nothing in there. Let's check where the aerial goes. Yeah, nothing in there either, so all good. So I'll keep an eye on that. I think it's just because I had the hose going that way, but we'll see. And if not, it's under warranty, so I'll be going in to get it done when I get my alarm done. So all good. So thank you very much for watching. It was a quick video. We haven't produced anything for a while. We have got some videos coming out, and Kaz will be back on the video. We're off to Tenerife, and you'll see basically me and airports and flying. Yeah, don't mix very well. I'm not a very good flyer. And then we'll be exploring Tenerife. We have never been before. And just for reference, you know, people who say, oh, you know, you've been it's only Tenerife. I only started going abroad 3 years ago, so I'm a late starter. So this coming year we've got some trips planned. We're doing some motorhome caravan fest. We're off to the caravan camping motorhome show in a week or so. Down in Birmingham, then we fly off to Tenerife. So we've got some bits and pieces planned, so please don't forget to subscribe. It's absolutely free. And also, if you want to follow our other channel, it's Bridlington Through the Lens, which is basically a bird's eye view of where we live in Bridlington. So thank you very much, and both Caroline and myself will see you soon. Bye.